I think it's important to understand what we can expect out of each other. If we work together to follow my classroom expectations, we can create a classroom in which we both feel comfortable and confident. Together, we got this. Let's begin by talking about what I expect from you. Within my classroom, I expect you to try your best every day at everything you do. I expect you to be kind to yourself, your classmates, and your teachers. I expect you to be honest. If you don't know how to do something, just ask. I expect you to be respectful. I expect you to do this by listening to your teachers and your classmates, waiting to talk your turn, and thinking of how others may feel. Next, let's talk about what you can expect from me. As your teacher, I promise to always be fair. I promise to be consistent in my expectations, my consequences, my responses, and my actions. I promise to always motivate you to be your best, to see you for what you can do and not what you can't, and to always help you achieve all that you can. I promise to always be a listening ear to you, someone you can always turn to when you need me. Together, we're a team. Together, we can learn, play, and grow and achieve all of our dreams. Thank you for learning about my expectations in you and your expectations in me.